Hello and welcome. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Before we begin, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who might benefit from better sleep. Before we go deeper, let's talk about REM sleep. Rapid eye movement. This is where vivid dreams happen and your brain processes emotions and memories. REM sleep is essential for mental and emotional health. Stress and anxiety can disrupt it, leaving you feeling drained. By relaxing before bed, you pave the way for restorative REM sleep. Our goal tonight isn't just sleep, but deep, healing rest. Trust your body, it knows what to do. Let's continue toward dream-filled sleep. Let's settle in, finding a comfortable position that allows you to fully relax. Whether you're lying down or sitting, ensure your body feels supported and at ease. And gently bring your attention to this very moment. Leave behind any thoughts of the day, any worries or to-do lists. This is your time to simply be present. Close your eyes softly and gently. Feel the support beneath you, whether it's the chair, the bed, or the floor. And consciously let your body relax, releasing any tension you might be holding onto. Surrender your weight completely to the bed, allowing yourself to sink deeper into its embrace. Let go of any resistance, any holding on, just let go. Notice the sounds around you without judgment or analysis, near and far, acknowledging each one as it arises and fades away, and simply acknowledge them, allowing them to be present without needing to change or control them. Now gently tune into the sounds I'm making, allowing them to become your primary focus. Gentle tapping, soft and subtle, steady and soothing, a consistent rhythm to guide you. Let the rhythm anchor your attention, providing a point of focus for your mind, and gently guide you inward, away from the external world and into the quiet space within. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, revitalizing air, through your nose, allowing the air to cleanse and nourish you, filling your belly, feeling the gentle expansion as you breathe deeply. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress with each breath, through your mouth, gently and completely. Let it all go, all the worries, all the tension, all the stress. Repeat, continue this cycle of breath. Inhale deeply and fully, hold briefly, savoring the fullness. Exhale slowly and completely, feeling calmer and more peaceful with each breath you take. Give yourself permission, right now, to be here in this moment fully present, without judgment or expectation. There's absolutely nothing else to do, nowhere else to be. This time is completely and utterly yours, a gift to yourself. Let every sound and every breath you take gently take you deeper and deeper into a state of profound relaxation. You're in your own personal sanctuary, a safe and peaceful space. Safe and completely at ease, free from worry and stress. Soft crinkling sounds like the whisper of nature, like the gentle rustling of leaves in a summer breeze, carry you even further into a deeper state of stillness and peace. Just be, simply exist in this moment. Breathe gently and naturally. Relax completely and utterly. Now, let's gently scan your body for tension. Start at the top of your head scalp, forehead, temples, let them soften. Unclench your jaw, relax your eyes. Move down to your neck and shoulders. Let warmth melt away any tightness. Drop your shoulders, release their burdens. Quickly check in neck, shoulders, upper back, chest, let go. Let relaxation flow down your arms to your fingertips. Notice your chest and stomach rising and falling with each breath. Breathe into your belly, letting go of any knots. Let your torso soften, feeling safe and secure. Guide relaxation through your hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and feet. Your whole body is now deeply relaxed. You are a calm, still lake, peaceful and ready for rest. Let go. Let's take a moment to center ourselves. Bring your focus gently to your breath. Feel the air moving in and out of your body. Your breath is your anchor in the present. It's always with you, a constant point of reference. You can only breathe right now. The past is gone, the future isn't here yet. This breath, this moment is all that exists. Let that ground you. Feel the connection to the earth beneath you, supporting you. Observe your breath without judgment. Simply notice the sensation of the air as it enters and leaves your body. Air entering, chest and belly expanding, allowing the breath to fill you completely. Let's try box breathing, a simple technique to regulate your breath and calm your mind. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Repeat, finding a steady, calming rhythm that works for you. Now slow it down even more if you can. Inhale calm, hold peace, Exhale worry. Hold stillness. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm, flowing effortlessly in and out. If your mind wanders, as it inevitably will, gently guide it back to your breath without frustration or judgment. Each return strengthens your mindfulness, building your ability to stay present. Listen to the soft sound shh of your breath, like gentle waves ebbing and flowing in and out. Follow the rhythm, allowing it to soothe and calm you. Let your breath carry you deeper into calm, into a state of peaceful awareness. You are present, peaceful, and safe. Just breathe. As you rest, let these affirmations soothe your mind. You are safe and secure. Right now, all is well. You release the worries of the day. You give yourself permission to rest deeply. Your mind is quiet, your body at ease. You trust your body to sleep and heal. You are worthy of peaceful rest. Even in a storm, there is a calm center within you. Return to your breath, your inner sanctuary. You are stronger than your anxiety. Thoughts are just clouds. Let them drift by. You are the calm observer. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am ready for sleep. Let this be your gentle lullaby. You are ready. You're at the threshold of sleep, mind and body prepared. You've calmed your system, released tension, and soothed your thoughts. Now let go and surrender to sleep's gentle pull. Imagine your bed as a cloud or a boat carrying you into dreams. Trust your body to guide you through restorative sleep. Let my voice fade into the background, becoming part of your dreamscape. Float, drift, and sink deeper into comfort and peace. You are on your way to healing REM sleep. Good night. Sleep well. Rest deeply. Allow dreams and restoration to come. You deserve this. Whispering fades out. Sleep. Sleep. Shh. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more relaxing content.